Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today we'll be making a very delicious recipe that all the Punjabis love and adore. The recipe is cream chicken. So the recipe starts with marinating the chicken and then we'll move on to making the gravy. So the ingredients required for marinating the chicken are 800 grams of chicken with bones. You can take boneless chicken as well. Then we have 3 tablespoons of hung curd or yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Then we move on to the ingredients for gravy. We have taken 1 chopped medium-sized onion, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 15 cloves of garlic that has been chopped and 1 to 1.5 inch of ginger that has been chopped. Then we require 2 tablespoons of kaju paste, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. We also require 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. You can also use oil for cooking, around 4 to 5 tablespoons of cream and 500 to 600 ml of milk. You can increase or decrease the quantities of these ingredients as per your taste. So let's start with marinating the chicken. We'll mix all these ingredients together. Mix them nicely. And we'll pour these onto the chicken. Make sure that each and every piece of chicken is coated nicely with this marination. And you have to keep this marinated chicken for at least 4 to 6 hours or preferably overnight. The more time it marinates, the better the flavor you get. So now we are going to make the gravy for cream chicken. First of all, we'll take butter, let it melt a little. Then onto it, we'll add chopped garlic, ginger and green chilies. Saute them. We don't have to make them brown because cream chicken doesn't have any color. It's just white in color. So we're not going to brown anything. I can already feel the aroma of garlic. After it is sauteed a little, we'll be adding a chopped onions. Just give them a good mix and saute them for a while. Now we can see our onions have been sauteed and it's time to add chicken now. Add all the chicken pieces along with the marinade. After adding the chicken, just mix it a little. Let the chicken cook in all these ingredients. Mix it nicely and cook the chicken for some time. After cooking the chicken in open flame, now we'll be covering the chicken and cook it till it is 80 to 90% done. Let's check if our chicken has been cooked. And it is almost done. So now it's time to add milk in it. Just stir it nicely, and along with it we'll add the cashew paste. The cashew paste enhances the taste of cream chicken, but it's totally optional. If you want to avoid it, you can avoid the cashew paste. We'll allow the chicken to cook in milk for some time. Let's cover it and cook it. Now we can see that the milk has thickened, so we'll add salt, crushed black pepper, coriander powder, kasuri methi, and cardamom powder. Just mix all these nicely and let the chicken cook. The final ingredient is cream. And just let it cook for a few minutes and our cream chicken will be ready. The cream chicken is ready. Look at how lovely and delicious this is looking, and look at the consistency. And it's time for me to plate it. Our super delicious cream chicken is ready to eat, and you can eat it with naan, parantha or roti. I'm going to dig into it straight away. And please try this recipe at home for sure. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.